Clean out your financial closet. Take action to better organize and plan your financial life. Many people find that cleaning and organizing their home can be soothing as well as productive. Decluttering, dusting, and scrubbing can breathe new life into your home and help you feel more relaxed. The same can be true for cleaning up your finances. Here are some tips to help you get better organized, feel empowered, and take control of your financial life. It's a good habit that every year you do some basic checkups. List is a good start. Review and update, if necessary, your essential estate planning documents, such as a will, power of attorney, and healthcare proxy. Review your spending and savings plans. Smart about your taxes. Become aware of areas you can save on taxes in the future. Check your insurance products and update if necessary. These simple tasks will help you avoid uncomfortable surprises in the future. Review your important papers on an annual basis. Once these papers are organized, it should take you less than an hour every year to do this.